Okay, on display here we have the Eufy SoloCam S3. What's really unique about this camera here is that it's solar powered. This right here is all solar powered, so it gets its battery recharging from the sun, and then this is the camera itself right here. But it's a 360-degree adjustable removable solar panel, so you can actually turn this thing a few different ways, so that way maybe if the sun comes in this way or if it comes in this way, you can kind of adjust your solar panel to get the most sun that it can. It does have a 3K dual camera clarity with 8 times zoom, and this one here, it does have the 360-degree pan, tilt, and zoom. So this camera here will move. Now this is a display model, of course, so they don't really have it working functionally, but you can take this thing and through the Eufy app, take and move it, so that way you can see all around. It does have some built-in storage on this. Let's take a look at the back side and show you guys some more of the specifics. Shows the person mounting it underneath like this. Does have that color night vision, advanced AI human detection, so that way you can detect if it's like a dog or a person in the shot. Vehicle detection, all weather protection, and motion activated with a 100 lumen spotlight. And you can customize the activity zone, so say you do want to just monitor up a specific zone here and you don't want to get notifications if there's a lot of people walking, like on a sidewalk or something like that. You can customize the activity zone on this. Pretty unique how it does have that solar powered on there, because a lot of these cameras are wired or battery powered. Now this one here at a local Costco store is running $149.99. No subscription required for this Eufy S3 security camera.